Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Rooted in Design. Today, I want to talk about the benefits of hiring an architect at different types of projects and stages. Most people think that architects just do major projects, doing major renovations, additions, like big elements. But we also do smaller things, and we really become your strategic partner to make sure things are done properly, whether something needs a permit or not. Especially if it needs a permit, you definitely need us in order to produce the drawings and to get them signed and sealed and everything to building code. But even if it's something smaller, like bathroom renovation that you're not really moving, say, fixtures, or a kitchen renovation, you're not really moving the fixtures as well, it would be great to have an architect put their input in to help you select the elements and the aesthetics. Like we produce 3D visuals for you, walkthroughs, etc. And if you are moving plumbing fixtures, electrical elements, all of that needs to be permitted and reflected properly. So we will be there for you to making sure things are done properly. And for kitchen space planning is so important, especially when people are moving around and you're hosting. So making sure you have a design that really works for your family and your style of life is very important. And of course, other elements like doing the design, we do those studies that help you understand what can be done based on the zoning and also educate you on what building code limitations you may or may not have between the different elements, whether it's like a full existing home or a new home, because you're allowed to do certain things with existing homes, but not with new. For instance, in New York, you can't do new gas lines for new construction. So you would have to do all electric homes. Well, if you have an existing home where you already have a gas connection, we can make it work and expand that system to do, say, a gas fireplace or a gas outdoor kitchen for you. While if it's all new construction, we will have to do everything electric. So these elements, things, information like that, I have the knowledge for, and I can help you understand it without you getting stressed about finding those information. Thank you.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of designing construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.